Hello class, we are Monica and Vianney, an international business student, and we are going to talk about a topic that we consider important for our major. This topic is the individual competency profile. First of all, we have to know what competency is. It is defined as those characteristics of an individual that underline successful performance or behavior at work. In general terms, it is a combination of knowledge, skills, and abilities required for performing successfully in a job. Competencies can be used to track performance in all human resources areas. Competencies are linked to the strategic objectives and capabilities of the individual or the organization. An individual competency profile is a listing of competencies of an individual relevant to some purpose. This theory is based on SWOT analysis, that is a strategy planning method used to evaluate the strengths, weaknesses, limitations, opportunities, and threats. This technique was created by Albert Humphrey, who led the conversation at Stanford University in the 1960s and 1970s. Returning to the individual competency profile, why can we use this technique? There are many situations where it may be desired to communicate a competency profile for an individual. Employment, admission to a course, educational program or institution, for supplying information to an agency.
A potential client that requests a profile of a supplier, provider, consultant, professional, or tradesperson. The principal areas in which the profile is used are recruitment. The profile is valuable of use in recruitment initiatives. Training and development. The profile can be used by managers and by individual staff to identify work-related competencies that need development, either at the organizational or individual level. Team building. The profile can be used in combination with a knowledge of individual strengths and developmental needs to build a strong teams with the competencies required to meet project objectives. In human resources, this topic is very common. When evaluating a competency profile for the job, they will review your level of competency in each area. This will help them to determine your areas of weakness that are in need of development or whether you are a good fit in the role of department. In the preparatory meeting, they will ask you what skills you would like to develop this year. Finally, we will explain you how to do and evaluate your own individual competency profile. First, you have to define what kind of competencies do you claim, then classify them and establish your core competencies. At the end, you have to establish where is the evidence or those claims of competency. For example, I have this core competency. 1 equal not at all, 2 equal a little, 3 some, 4 yes, and 5 definitely. We hope you enjoyed our video and understand and learn something about our topic. Thanks for your time and good afternoon.